So I'm Priya and I'm a genetic counsellor. So my role is to work as a part of a medical team with people who have genetic conditions. So I'll use the case of the BRCA gene as an example, because that's something that the general public know quite a lot about. Obviously, Angelina Jolie having a double mastectomy due to carrying this genetic change was in the media. So we carry 2 copies of every gene, which are our instructions for our body to build everything that we are. So our skin, the colour of our eyes, everything. And in BRCA conditions, if there's a spelling mistake in one of the genes, it leaves the person carrying that spelling mistake at a greater risk of developing breast cancer. So somebody in that position would come to see a genetic counsellor. We would explain the genetics behind this, and most importantly, to manage patient anxiety around this. That's where the counselling aspect comes in. So CRISPR-Cas9 is a biological mechanism discovered by Jennifer Doudna in the US. That essentially enables you to cut and paste genes. This has been widely reported in the media because it's this ability to change the genetic makeup of the human race as a whole. It's going to change the human gene pool. The reason this is such an important topic for genetic counsellors to be a part of is because it is our role to consider developments in the field of genetics within the framework of individual psychological impact, how it will impact society as a whole, ethics, and to challenge the idea that we would want to move towards a society that is disease or disability free. So, for example, in Iceland, prenatal testing for Down syndrome has meant that almost all mothers have opted for a termination of that pregnancy. So no children with Down syndrome are being born in Iceland. And we need to talk about the ethics of that.